Good day, exoskeleton patent application, and my group is Jose Manuel Carreño, Daisy Mora, and Dayana Torres. Index, background, summary, brief description of the drawings, detailed description, and claims. Background, field of the invention. The present invention is direct to people who have motor difficulties and who seek for a different and more efficient way of moving around while doing recovery therapies, mainly having an emphasis in the importance of movement in daily life, guaranteeing a longer and healthier quality for a life and offering the possibility of an easier alternative for a physical therapy.
Description of the related arts. In recent years, some prototypes and research have taken several places around the world in regards to people who have difficulties related to their movements. One of the main and most advanced examples of this is being developed by Robotics Center in Germany, where they are still looking to make improvements related to efficiency due to its complexity in the use of engineering softwares and online algorithms, while also dynamic mechanics and accuracy in the movements, which implies an advanced architecture in flexibility for the joints and a light yet robust design for the user.
Summary, provide movement restricted people with a better form of rehabilitation that makes it easier for them to carry out different activities and create a comfortable and dynamic rehabilitation system for the people. Brief description of the downs. And this section shows the design of the exoskeleton, but the upper and a lower part and its different uses and additions in the body that help people with their motor difficulties. Detailed description. The exoskeleton consists on an external structure which is installed over the body of a person. This structure is mechanized with the purpose of carrying out certain tasks in an easier way. The exoskeleton covers either partially or totally the body. It comes with electric engines, softwares, sensor and hydraulic systems in order to allow movement and therefore realize the required daily activities.
The exoskeleton is endowed with biometric sensors with the object of moving while having synchronization between the person and the structure. For example, if the user moves on foot, that same part of the exoskeleton will move as well. This doesn't imply that all what the work will be performed by the machine itself. It certainly will require from help from the subject.
The prototype that is proposed consists of different elements such as engines, screws, nuts, link brackets for both the inferior and superior sections of the body, hip and feet, which help with mobility, and software that consists of sensors and online algorithms that can be employed. Also, an analysis of the different type of materials that may be used was made through different technical sheets or catalogs that allow us to select the most suitable and most efficient ones to use in this creation of the exoskeleton, ensuring that there won't be drawbacks while performing the physical tests. The materials were aluminum, steel, and their alloys, acrylic, glass, and carbon fiber. These materials were selected according to their machinery advantages and the manipulation of mechanical features and properties, and also their geometrical features that these materials possess when they are presented in pieces by the time they are made.
In doing a market study and knowing the needs of the people with movement difficulties, the following mechanical requirements have been determined: mechanical resistance, fatigue resistance, weight, and cost. The prototype is considered to be able to statistically most of the previously enlisted requirements, with the object of having a good acceptance from the consumers. And claims an exoskeleton designed to help with rehabilitation, two, mechanical support to improve strength, and three, provide public use for the physiotherapists in regards to rehabilitation.
4, integrated biosignal analysis for motor rehabilitation. 5, sensors to prevent the movements and improve mobility. 6, enduring composition of materials for design. 7, computational algorithms integrated with kinematics and dynamics to control the mechanical system. 8, active torque distribution integrated with the exoskeleton system. And 9, efficient, robust, and light electronic infrastructure. Then isolated support movements in individual joints. And 11, vibration and acoustic feedback.
Thanks for your attention.